Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories, and today we're going to give this old girl her first bath in about 30 years, rough, give or take. She's a bit dirty. Let's have a look at it and then give her a wash. So I'm not sure if you can see all the grime on it, built up from the years, living in a garage and then under my dad's carport. The roof is particularly grim, but we'll give it a wash. I'm not sure we'll really have time for a full decontamination and polish today, but we'll give it a wash, see how she looks after a bath. All that loose stuff coming off. Yeah. I guess this is where I'll find out if the sunroof leaks, or the windows leak, or the doors leak. Good time is any better now than in the pissing rain, driving somewhere. Today's band t-shirt is Kicked in the Teeth. They're sort of street punk band, kind of gruff vocals from Northwich. Really cool. Check them out, link in the description below. Of course, it's been cloudy all day. Remember, I couldn't wash my car, the sun comes out, so oh well. Whatever the end result is, it'll look better than it did do before. The sun's gone in now, so that's good. I need to get one that fits on a power washer rather than this handheld thing. It does all right, but that will be better. Leave this a few minutes, let it all soapify, do its magic, and then I'll give it a rinse off. I've seen people washing from bottom to top. That's a new one for me. What do you guys think about that? Well, she's still a mess. Needs a lot more to do. Let's put sponges out. I think this is going to take more than one wash, to be honest with you. See the colour difference already. Right, there we go. I've given her a bath. She looks better, but to be honest with you, I'm going to have to spend a full day giving her a proper clay decontamination and a polish, because there's loads of little bits which I just can't seem to get rid of. Also, we do have a leak. I'm not surprised this sunroof seal is a complete state, so I'm going to have to replace that at some point. But I'm not sure if you can see, there's all these little sort of red spots all over it. Down here is the best place to see, really. Kind of bright. I think these are all like, yeah, not sure what they are. So it's been embedded in the paint. Let's try. Yeah, there you go. All this here, all along here. All over the body. So yeah, I need to give it a proper clay bar, I think. She's looking better though. I'm not going to dry with a chamois because that's just going to rub shit all over her. So I've decontaminated it. Ain't going to do that. I'm going to leave her out as well. I don't want to put her back under there because that's where a lot of shit comes from. So she might get wet, and there is a bit of a leak inside, I've noticed as well, from that sunroof. Yeah, it was all pool of it here. Hey ho. Anyway, that's this old girl's first bath. More to come on this. Got a few jobs we need to do. But yeah, thanks for watching again. See you in a video in the future very soon. Bye bye.